Frequencies Uncovered. A deep dive into adverbs of frequency. Hello, English language learners. Today we're going to explore a fascinating part of English grammar that helps us express how often something happens. Adverbs of frequency. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what these adverbs are and how to use them correctly in your everyday conversations. Adverbs of frequency, as their name suggests, tell us how often an action occurs. They give us more information about the frequency of an action or event. These include words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. She sometimes goes to the gym after work. Now, let's move on to sentence placement. The adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verb, except the verb to be, after the verb to be. Example: I always drink coffee, before the main verb, drink. She is usually late for the meeting, after the verb to be. Remember, placement is crucial to ensure your sentence is grammatically correct and makes sense. There are two types of adverbs of frequency: definite and indefinite. Definite adverbs of frequency express an exact number of times an action occurs and include words like daily, weekly, annually, and so on. Indefinite adverbs of frequency don't specify an exact number but give a general idea. These are the words we've been discussing, like always, sometimes, rarely, and so on. In this section, let's talk about some common mistakes that learners often make when using adverbs of frequency and how you can avoid them. 1. Incorrect placement. As we've discussed, adverbs of frequency typically come before the main verb but after the verb to be. Misplacing them can lead to grammatical errors. 2. Confusing definite and indefinite adverbs. Remember, definite adverbs give exact frequencies, daily, yearly, while indefinite ones give a general sense of frequency, always, usually. 3. Using the wrong adverb. Each adverb of frequency has a different degree of frequency. Make sure you choose the correct one that accurately reflects how often the action is happening. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to adverbs of frequency in English. With this knowledge, you can now express how often things happen with more precision and accuracy. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new concept in language learning. So, keep practicing these adverbs in your daily conversations. Until next time, happy learning!